Hey everyone, this is just a quickie. This is a Volkswagen Audi instrument cluster, and I already done cut the display off because it's going to the recycle bin. Before I recycled it, somebody made a request that I dump this little 93C86 Eprom. So I'm going to remove that real quick for him, and I'm going to dump it. So let me zoom in here for you. Pretty simple task. So I know I haven't been making any videos lately, so but I will pop this off really quick here. And there it is. So I will cut back when I got the programmer lit up, and we will dump this chip. That chip. Okay, we're at the programmers. So I've got the little EEPROM, looks like a Fairchild 93C86. We've got it in an adapter. I don't have the Zeltag adapter, but I do have a magic chip. So it allows me to emulate the adapter this requires. So I'm going to launch the Zeltec Super Pro software. Oop. Might want to turn the programmer on. Okay, if you see up there, hard to see. Zoom in a little. Unmatched adapter, 93C86A, Fairchild. So I need this to be a DX1045. So this is going to be DX1045. Okay, that's DX1045. So if you, I'll just pick this up. This is just a quick and dirty video. So, okay, so if I go back up here, device, their device, and I'll go back up here, and preparing, there she goes. Now it's got a matched adapter. So I'll just lock that adapter in right there. I will come back up here and I will hit read. Okay, we read okay. Verify okay. Buffer. Looks like we got some sort of a VIN number there. So yeah, that person just wanted me to do that and I've been procrastinating on it. I'm going to the dump tomorrow. So that board's going to the scrap yard. So nobody wanted it. Tried to give it away for free, complete whole cluster. Nobody wanted it for parts. So, but I will get this copy of the bin file off to you. Have a nice night.